Ni Sambula Vinaka, ni Wasota, and Saningiri na Lali Nikua, Satiko in a Lomani studio, na Nobulangi Dokai, Katie. She's a very famous influencer because we're live on air. For those of you listening, sana positive Babalangi, me baka, this is Guanangoneni Nanumiviti, Fiji Memories, and so Katie has been to Fiji several times. She loves Fiji. She's young.
Nitsambula Vinaka, everyone. Thank you so much for having me.
You're rounding up people to go with you to Fiji?
Yeah, so I've got a group of about 100 women that would like to come on holidays with me on a small group tour.
Do you want to go on a song break to dedicate to your listeners?
Io by Inside
Io.
Out.
Wow, Io. There you go.
Yes.
I love it.
It's my Fijian dance move.
That's it. And you're going to add some fingers in there as well. So
Occasional.
yeah.